UDokotela Mlambo Ngcuka ukhathazekile ngezinga eliphezulu lobubha kanye nokungaqashwa kwabantu kanye nomthelela walezinto kuhulumeni obuswa intando yabantu. Uthi ke abantu kumele bayilwele inkululeko eyazuzwa yizwe.
We are at risk of allowing our hard-won freedom to go to waste. I hope not under your watch. Falling into a slippery slope and sleepwalking ourselves into what could become a failed state is not an option.
Uthi ukwenyuka kwezinga lenkohlakalo izinkomba zokuthi kudingeka abaholi abaqotho wathi lokhu kuzoholela ekutheni lelizwe libe ngelehlulekayo.
It's really encouraging that government is now looking at a situation where they have to bring other stakeholders, civil society, unions, business, to work together to solve these problems, because government alone cannot solve all of these problems that we face as a country.
Shansela lenyuvesi yaseGoli eselishiya likhumbuze abantu bakuleli ubumqoka bezinguquko zombusazwe ngendlela enokuthula efana naleyo yasemanyuvesi.
Looking to the elections of 2024, we are wondering what it is that will bring us together, what it is that will constitute us into a society that remembers its past.
Iningi limhalalisele uDokotela Ngcuka owake waba yiphini likaMengameli wezwe.
I don't think she's completely lost politically. I think that a lot of people will be able to consult her and hear what her views are on the political situation in the country.
UDokotela Mlambo Ngcuka uzoqala kusasa umsebenzi wakhe ukuba ishansela lenyuvesi yaseGoli.